video, I'm cleaning the living room, my guest bedroom. We're going to take a quick peek of the closet. I'm doing a lot of organizing, so I'll let you know whether we organize the closet or not. Over here, I'm picking up bags because I went to Target and also Home Goods, and I purchased a few things to get the house prepared for spring. So in a video coming soon, you guys will get to see me freshen up the house and get it spring ready. I picked up some things in pink and different shades of pink and white, and yeah, I think it's gonna make the house look nice and springy. Well, I finally got a chance to get out and go to my P.O. box yesterday. So here I was sorting mail, throwing out, trash and flyers and stuff, and putting away my important mail. It didn't take a long time, but I definitely had to go through everything carefully to make sure that, I'm not throwing away important stuff. I do have a system in my office where I keep all of my important documents and papers and stuff like that in one spot. So the living room really isn't that bad. I haven't spent a lot of time in the living room this week. It does need to be refreshed. I have had company a couple times, so things get placed here and there, but overall, it's not bad. I've had quite a few deliveries come in because, again, I'm freshening up for spring. The rug that you see laying on the floor, that is the cutest rug I've ever seen. Simple, but very, very cute. And I'm going to be putting that rug down in another video when I do my spring refresh. But right now, I'm just cleaning tables and making sure that everything is nice and refreshed. And I put the rug in another room until I'm ready to lay it down. So today, guys, I had one of the biggest surprises. I'm sweeping the floors and I'm making sure that I'm sweeping up under everything to make sure that, if anything has fell under there, I get it. And I'm thinking like, okay, maybe some crumbs or something. And I see money under my couch and I'm like, what is this? So I pick it up and I look and it's $250. Literally, guys, two $100 bills and a $50 bill. Well, I know exactly where it came from. Yesterday, I was sitting there opening mail and preparing my bills. And I set $250 on the table so that I can pay my water bill. And it must have fallen underneath the couch at some point or another. Oh my God. I am just ecstatic that I even found it, because once I would have started looking for it, I would have been having a fit. So I want to share with you guys what I picked up from Target. I found these beautiful bouquets of flowers to go in my vases. Also, I found some placemats, some cookies, a candle, a tray for my dresser, some forks, some blush wine, these cute little pink accessories for the bathroom. I have rugs, face towels, and also drying towels. Now, guys, these yellow towels are super cute, and all the towels were $3.74. The little flower bucket came from the dollar spot, and the small towels were $1.95. So as you can see, the living room is all done. So as you can see, now I'm in my guest bedroom, and the only people that sleep in this room are my great nieces and nephews, mostly my great nieces. This is like their domain, and that's why the paper shades are looking the way that they look. I got so disgusted, guys, because they have lost the little clips that you put on them to keep them from going down to the floor. So I had to go get some tape and tape them down until I can find the clips. And I actually hurt my finger trying to get the tape out of the closet. So now I'm just folding up clothes. I had a shelf in this room, and that's why all this stuff is on the bed. We took the shelf out of this room, and it's just a little white plastic shelf. We put it downstairs in the laundry room. So this room is really simple. There's nothing in it but a bed. And for now, that's the way it's going to be until I get around to fixing it up, which will be in about another 2 months or so. I am going to get a cute little dresser and a small little bedside table and lamp and put in here. And because the girls are the only ones who normally sleep in here, I think I'm gonna change out this red, and that's why I turned the red over to all red instead of red and black, because it just felt so masculine in here. Now, granted, my son does sleep in here when he's home from college, but when the girls are here, he'll sleep in another room so that they can have the bigger bed, which he's such a sweetheart. He does that. But yeah, I'm definitely going to swap out the comforter and the curtains and put something more cute and fun in here for my babies. Now I know that this throw does not go with that bed, but honey, when I tell you the girls drag that throw all over the house, so I just keep it in the room for them because they just love it. I also keep my YouTube filming equipment in this room as well. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed this or not, but I have slowed down so much cleaning this room. I am exhausted. Like, I am literally drop dead tired. And it's not because I'm cleaning, it's because I'm cleaning, and in between cleaning, I'm taking care of my business. So, I still have to make a living. So I'm working in between. And I recently just started a new business. So guys, I'm so exhausted, and I decided I was not tackling this closet right now. I was too tired, and I just couldn't do it. Believe it or not, guys, this closet is full of shoes. I have over 300 pair of shoes. I have probably 200 purses. So everything that's on the bottom of this closet is shoe boxes and purses, a couple boxes, a couple sheets here and there. But trust me, this closet is full of shoes and purses. And there's a box down here that's full of nothing but flip-flops. Literally, guys, this box is full to the top with flip-flops only. So we're going to come back to it another day. And so the guest bedroom is clean. So now I'm on my kitchen. The kitchen is not bad. I'm going to be organizing those drawers underneath the oven. I just need to sweep the floor in here and wash the dishes, and that's it. I washed dishes last night, so today I'm just putting away the dishes that were left because I didn't get a chance to get them put away last night. And then I just have a few more dishes from this morning that needs to be cleaned, and a pot that I had soaking for the past day or so. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that pot out. But other than that, I have not had a bunch of visitors that has been coming over eating and stuff. It's just pretty much been me this week. week that has been home and actually eating. I think my brother came over Monday night and he ate some dinner, but other than that, that's it. Not a lot of dishes at all. The kitchen is still thoroughly cleaned from the last time I cleaned it. I just need to, like I said, sweep the floor. I'm not going to mop today, but I am going to venture out and take out the garbage. So now that is going to be something new because I hate taking out the garbage. I will catch a little kid walking down the street and give them $1 to take my garbage out because that's how much I hate dealing with going out to the garbage cans. And it's mostly because I'm scared of bugs. Alright guys, so I picked up these pieces from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has organization containers for $1, and each and every one of these came from there. Now they come in different colors. There's white, there's black, there's clear. So I don't know what made me pick up the black ones, but whatever. So also I got these two big baskets, and I'm just going to be using these to put the stuff that's in the drawer in there until I sort it out and figure out which ones I'm going to use. Now this is how my drawers look before I got started. Now next I'm going to start sorting this stuff out and putting them in different containers and figuring out what is going to go where. And I also need to wipe these drawers out. So what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm actually organizing and decluttering these drawers. There's so much stuff in here that I will not use anymore or that I don't want. So I'm just separating, what's what. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Mrs. Meyer cleaner and I'm going to spray the drawer out and wipe it out real good and let it dry. The person who lived here before me already put contact paper in the drawer. I'm going to take that out at a later date and reline it. So I played around with what fits best in the drawer, and once I was comfortable with that and I found a good spot for everything, I went ahead and started putting things away. Now these are the things that I've kept. My knives, I am going to put in a separate container on top of the countertop. Because of me having a home business, I don't want to keep knives too low so that if I have babies here, they'll be able to get to them. So I'm more comfortable with them higher up. At this point, guys, I'm just finishing up, tidying up the kitchen, and I'm just putting the finishing touches on everything, and then the whole house will be clean. You guys, I totally forgot to film emptying the garbage. I'm sorry. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Everything in the kitchen and the whole house is finally finished, and I'm happy with the way that everything turned out. Big shout out to Dollar Tree. I purchased all of the items that I used in my declutter and organizing from Dollar Tree, and I'm really satisfied with organizing these drawers. So definitely a big shout out to Dollar Tree. Well, alright guys, I am done with everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to like and share the video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Comment below and let me know if you want to see more of these videos. Bye guys.